Let's open blueprint we created. If this window opens, just click Open Full Blueprint Editor. Click on Viewport so that we can see the changes. On the left side, you can see Components panel. If you click and hold it, you can move it around. You can right-click and dock it to the side. You can hide it. And if you close it, you can go to Window and select Components. Components are building blocks that you attach to your blueprint to give it functionality. Components panel shows you all the components that are part of the current blueprint. Currently, we don't have any. To add some, we can click Add and select Cube. I will add one more component. This time I will choose Sphere. You can hold this arrow and drag Sphere on top of the cube. If your objects are indented, that means that they are connected. And now if you try to move the cube, Sphere will move with it. But if you try to move the sphere, your cube won't move. This location is relative to the thing that is attached to. As you can see, location of sphere is 100, and location of cube is 0. If I move the cube, location of the cube will change, but sphere will stay the same. To remove that relationship, move the sphere on top of the cube, and now they are not connected. If you want to delete one of the components, you can right-click on it and select Delete, or you can press Delete on your keyboard. And to change root of this blueprint, you can select the cube and drop it to the default scene root. Root is main component in a blueprint, to which all other components are attached to. Let's add new component, search for collision, and select Box Collision. With box selected, in your Details panel you can change box extent to be a bit bigger than the box. Box collision is an invisible box around the cube that can check if your character overlapped it, and if it did, you can program it to do something. Let's add one more component. This time type rotating movement. This component is not attached to anything, and you can't attach it. It will affect every other component in this blueprint, and it will just rotate this cube. With your rotating movement component selected, in your Details panel under Rotating Component, if you expand rotation rate, you can change on which axis rotation will happen. I will change Z rotation to 80. In your toolbar, you can click Simulate, and now you are able to see that rotation. You can click Compile. To add it to your level, you can just drag it from the content browser. If you hold Alt and go to drag it, you will copy it. You can add components to your blueprint from your level editor, have your cube selected and go to Details panel. And here you can click Add. Let's add a sphere. Now you have to click here and apply instance changes to blueprint. Now if I open my blueprint test, sphere is added to my components panel. I will just drag it on top of the cube. Important thing to know is that any change you make to this blueprint, it will be added to any instance of it in your level.